Jet versus tank, Azzy. Jet versus tank.
Oh my god! What killed me?
The grins.
Oh.
Get wrecked, Alex.
Don't push my fucking parachute. Fake.
C4 bike launch time. Woo!
Woo!
Woo! Oh!
What the fuck?
Did you see your body?
Your guy's body just like fell off the edge. It was like,
You were doing the sexy man pose.
what the fuck? Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Nailed it.
Went fucking so far. Don't even know where I am.
Too far.
Nailed it.
Thank you here, mate.
Straight ahead, mate.
Think fast.
I'm an AC4. Go, Azzy. Find it. Oh.
Denied.
I shot that guy like 3 times with this horrible gun. And it didn't even... YOLO.
Oh shit.
Tank, I've got C4.
C4 on me.
He's looking at us. No! Oh, he's dead. No, he's not.
My body!
Oh, my body as well. I can see. Oh! Oh.
You have to die.
He just died.
No, he's up this way.
I'm going to squash him, mate. There he is, there.
Wait a bit.
I got to go to this bike in and watch this.
Oh, there he's got C4! It just blew his cell up! What, dude?
I'm going back then. I can't believe he blew himself up thinking I was on the club bike.
Oh! Oh no, it's Jesus!
Oh no!
Ah! Kill him! Hey, come on!
Killed him though.
How did he knife you to the front? It's fucking shite!
Mate, spawn on me, hurry. You can get your payback. You can get your payback. Payback, Harry! You're supposed to get your payback, Harry.
I did, mate! Fucking knife me! They just wanted to push F, it's stupid!
Right, hurry up and get your payback again.
Fuck up!
Get your payback, Harry.
Fucking teabag! Have another bit! Come on! Spawn back! Come on! Ah! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Bit my tongue there, I was that angry and I've spat all on my monitor.
I'm going to try and get this helicopter. £30, Azzy, that I can blast this helicopter with 1 bullet.
No chance.
Oh! £30, Azzy, I can get this guy with 1 rocket. Yeah!
Oh!
Give me that £30,
I never
Azzy.
agreed to this!
I want that 30 quid.
Terms.
30 quid, bro, come on.
I never agreed to your terms, mate. There's no contract.
What? What you say, Azzy? What you say?
I didn't see any contract!
Run, Azzy! There's a tank chasing after you.
Mate, your guy just jumped like that fucking ballet dancer. What's his name? Billy Elliot.
There's a tank. Run the way, run the way.
Oh, I missed him. He's coming up, he's coming up.
Oh!
Oh! Guy running.
Ah!
How did I not get him?
How did I die? He knew never. I knew it. He's just been knocked over. He's just been knocked over, mate. Oh, he's just been crushed. I'm going to spawn on scene. RPG that helicopter. I just spawned on scene RPG that helicopter. Why am I speaking like this? I don't even know.
I got a tank. I got a tank, 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 tank. Got a tank. Got a tank. I got a tank, 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 tank. What the fuck?
I got a tank.
Hey, you parachute!
Me, nah, I'm hiding. How? What happened?
Where are you hiding?
Mate, I'm playing MLG status.
That was fucking you! I seen you!
Mate,
You're in a jet pilot suit!
I'm not a jet pilot suit. Maybe
Mate, I seen you flying above my tank when I was dead!
Mate, I like wearing jet pilot suits, right? I like wearing jet pilot suits. I fix jet pilots for I fix jets for a living. I fix jets for a living. This is my job. I shouldn't have a gun.
Aye, right.
I'm just a mechanic on the battlefield, bro.
No.
So what's up guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If we can reach 15,000 likes before the end of the night, that would be awesome. Sorry it was just the one map, we kinda recorded, you know, a lot on that map today, so I just thought you would enjoy it as in one big video. So I do hope you enjoy, leave a like and a comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you so much, and goodbye.